This is Whitney from Purl Soho. I'm going to demonstrate how to knit Intarsia in garter stitch. Intarsia is a simple colorwork technique where you switch colors mid-row. Unlike stranded colorwork, where you carry both colors along the entire row, for Intarsia, you pick up a new ball of yarn every time you change colors. The only trick here is to prevent holes in your knitting where you change the colors, and that's really easy to do in garter stitch. So this swatch of our color study blanket pattern is a great place to learn the basics. I'm going to show you how to change colors on both the right and wrong sides of the work, and you'll be ready to try it when we're done. We're here on the right side of the work, and I am finishing up with the first color, knitting up to the point where we change colors. Now, if I just dropped this yarn and started with the new color, we'd have a big gap in our knitting. So all you do to prevent that is you take the color you've been knitting with and you cross it over the new color at the back side of your work, like that. Now you pick up your new color and you knit the next stitch. That's it, actually. That's all there is to it. You can see here on the back side that we've tacked the old color down and they've kind of twisted around each other and made it so that this seam is nice and tidy and there are no gaps in the knitting. So then you just continue on, and I will show you next how to do something similar on the wrong side of the work. When you're knitting a wrong side row, you'll do the same thing, except you'll do it at the front of the work instead of the back. So you knit up to the color change, and then you're going to cross the old color over the new color, but instead of doing it at the back, you bring the color you've been using to the front of your work into the purl position and cross it over the color you're about to knit with. Then pick up this color and then bring it to the back of your work, since you need to knit the next stitch, and knit that stitch as usual. So again, you have trapped the old color with the new color, you've bridged the two colors, and you can see here on the back side of the work that you have this really tidy seam. And again, on the front side, you have really smooth transitions between the colors and no gaps at all. And it was super easy to do. That is all there is to it, knitting Intarsia in garter stitch.